a link to you. Please shop on the website. Tap on this link like this. It will take you directly to the website. Just wait in a few seconds, it will load. It's loading. The website has loaded. Okay, this is the front page. Okay, you can scroll down to see everything at the front page. Okay, this plus sign here is two sign, US, Naira, and dollars. If you're in Nigeria, you click on NGN, all the prices will turn to Naira. Okay, see it has loaded. It's loading to turn all the prices to Naira. Okay, we're scrolling down. Just check, this is the front page of the website. Anything you want to buy, you can just tap on it. If you want to buy Secret White Serum, concentrate, you can just click on add to cart. This is the front page. We're screen. Okay, this is the front page. You can go up, back. Okay, okay, this circle here means search. You can tap on this circle. Maybe anything you want to buy, you can type. While this up, this basket here is your cart. Anything you click on, this will show you your cart. Like this, which one is your cart? Okay. While this category, you tap on this category, you see everything here. Okay, anything you want to buy is here. Okay, if you want to buy Kirasecret product, just click on this accessory, Kirasecret product. If you want to buy soap, lotion, anything you want to buy, just tap on it. It will take you directly to what you want to buy. You understand? Maybe you want to buy serum, concentrate, and oil, you can tap on this concentrate, serum, and oil. It will take you immediately. You will see all the serums, all the concentrate on the website. You can scroll. If you can't find anything on the first page, you can click on this number 2. You understand me? It will take you around the website. You see all serum, all concentrate, anything you want. If you want to go back, click on these categories. Okay, if you want to buy Kirasecret product, just tap on this Kirasecret. You see all Kirasecret product. Look at all Kirasecret product. That is my product. Anything you want to buy is there. If you can't find it in the first page, you can click on number 2 or number 3. That is it. If you want to buy Secret White and you want to see all sizes of Secret White, tap on that circle, that search circle, write Secret. Maybe you want to buy different sizes of Secret White, just tap Secret White, click on your search icon. It will bring out all Secret White products on the website. You can see it, look at it. You can just be scrolling up, look at it, look at different sizes of Secret White. You understand me? Anyone you want. Okay, like if it's the serum you want, just tap on like this. You understand me? When you tap on it, it will load. Look at it. It's 120 ml. Just click on add to cart. Add to cart. That means it has entered your basket. Any amount you want. If it's 1 you want, just tap on this 1. If it's 2, you just remove 1, type 2. Then you say add to cart. Immediately you see it. They say view cart. You can click on this view cart. It's very easy, very, very easy. Okay, maybe that this is only what you want. Okay, you scroll down. This place they wrote proceed to checkout. Just tap proceed to checkout. That means you are done shopping. It will bring you to checkout. They say write your first name, write your son name. Okay, country, which country are you? If you are in Nigeria, you just tap on this country. If you are in United States, you cannot write United States. But if you are in Nigeria, leave it here, leave it in Nigeria. Okay, you just fill your stock. What state are you in Nigeria? You write Lagos. If you are in Lagos, you write Lagos. If you are in Imo State, if you are in Ibadan, what town and city? Maybe if you are anywhere, you put your city where you are in Lagos. Okay, states, you put your Lagos state. Okay, you put your phone number. This is very important to put your email. Okay, when you are done, you can create account. A create account means you just click on it, put your email and your password, so that anytime you want to log in, it will be easy. Do you have any words to write? Anything you want to write, so click here and write. Maybe you might say wrap it very well. You understand me? Anything you want to write, you write. Then this is your order. You understand me? Direct bank transfer. That means you want to transfer. You don't need to use your card. Just leave it on direct bank transfer. That means you want to transfer to our account. But if you are abroad, you click on Western Union or anyone. But if you are in Nigeria, leave it on direct bank transfer. This one, leave it here. Okay, you are good to go. This place, they said I have read and agree. Tap on this box. When you tap on this box, you click place your order. That is it. Okay, then you go and check your email. You see our account number and you transfer to us. Then send us message on WhatsApp that you've made payment. The following day we package your goods and we send to you. It's very easy, man.